Welcome to another episode with Crypto Lord. So today, based on popular demand, I will be talking about. I will be showing you guys on how you can actually do the Mantle Testnet step by step guide with the video clip. So let's go. So first thing first is let's go to the Mantle website. Yeah. Okay. So we have a Mantle website. So we have to request for forklets. Let's go. Let's go. So yeah. Then we have to make connect our wallet to Glory ETH. Let's see. So we switch network to Glory TH. And then um for us to mint already this wallet I have bits, but I'll just show you an example of what to actually do. So we have to tweet about this, and we're done. Then we come here to verify that we have done what we said in the Twitter. Then stay here, verify, authorize app. So we are in. Yeah, we are in. So we have to mint bit testnet token. So we have to mint bit testnet. That is let's say we're minting 1,000. 1,000 is the maximum bit testnet token you have to mint. Yeah, but for you to mint this, you need Glory ETH. As you can see, I have some Glory ETH. I actually um, transfer some Glory ETH here, but you can actually request for Paradigm. This just click on here to request, or this Archimedes, but Archimedes is actually having problem now. So Paradigm, but it will not be much. They won't give you much. So um, this video, if you actually need some Glory TH, I can actually send you some that you can use to do this testnet transaction. So next is to mint, yeah. So we've minted 1,000 bit test token. So next is to go. So the 1,000 bit test we actually minted is in Glory ETH. So we have to bridge to the Mantle L2 blockchain. So see, connect your wallet, then connect, then you have to switch to the Mantle this thing now. You see that now we are in Mantle Testnet. Okay, we're still in Glory Testnet, but so we have to bridge. We are bridging to Mantle Testnet now. So let's say we are bridging 500 bit token, bit token. Then we come here to confirm the transaction. So we are bridging. So okay, still transaction is still pending. Then what else are we going to do? Then we have to when you're done with that, we have to go to the Discord. Your Discord. We have to go to Discord. Mm. I'll go to the Discord. You have to go to the Discord. Then we go for the quest. So I'm looking for the quest. So okay, we'll just come here to the quest and let's see quest. Okay, quest. So here in the quest, we have to connect our wallet. So we're connecting our wallet. Sign the message. So wait for verification. So yes, you can also connect with your Discord too. That is done. So let's see if our bridge is complete. Yeah, it's complete. Now we have bridged 500 this thing to Mantle test this thing. So let's see it. Let's see if it's here. Okay. So since it's not here, we can go to chain list, and add Mantle Testnet, Mantle test, yeah, add Mantle test. So yeah, we now have the 500 bits we actually breached. This is it. We are now in Mantle test. So you just go and start just simple thing. First of all, verify on Discord. I think we verified. Okay, we have to link our Twitter to complete this step. Name reward. So quest claimed. So there are many quests that is actually open that you have to do. There are many quests that is actually open that you just do very simple quests. Very simple quests. Very simple quests. So and you actually just keep working on it and you are actually done with the mantle. So as you can see, it's very easy. It's very easy just to get your mint your bit token and you bridge. That's all. Then next episode we'll be looking into some project that is coming up on the Mantle L2 blockchain. One of the projects I'm actually following is Mantle Swap, the first DEX of Mantle blockchain. So we'll be actually they are also on the testnet phase, and I will show you how you can easily do the testnet. So from me to you, thanks again. Do well to subscribe, do well to share this video, and do well to invite other people. Thank you, thank you.